So for negative exponents, okay, if we want to take anything, so let's just say 5, right, to the negative, let's say the negative second power. Okay, 5 to the negative second power. So this is how you do that, okay? You do 5 to the second power, which would be what? What's 5 to the second power? Forget about the negative, just positive 2. What would that be? 25. So what that means, since it's a negative exponent, we just put it underneath a 1 in a fraction. So like the negative, it doesn't make the answer is not going to come out to be negative. It's always going to make it a fraction. So like whenever you see a negative exponent, your answer to that is probably going to involve a fraction. Does that make sense? So give me another one that you see on there, and we'll work on that. Or just like make one up, or if you remember one, I don't know. Yep, you're good to go. Anybody want to come up with another negative exponent one so we could do one more example? Four with the negative 3 exponent. Perfect. I just wanted to do something that was bigger than a 2. Okay, so if we did 4 to the negative 3 power, remember what that really is, and I didn't write this step last time, but what that really is it's just 4 to the positive 3 power, and then we put it underneath a 1 in a fraction. So now we would just have to go on our calculator probably, unless you could do it in your head. 4 times 4 times 4. There's 3 of them. And so that, I believe, would be 64. And because it's a negative, remember, the 64 goes on the bottom of the fraction. So any negative exponent is just like it's like 1 over, and then the same thing, but with a positive exponent. And then once you get it to positive, we should all know how to do positive exponents.